The first chapter in moral science is Life a Blessing. Basically, here the moral which is being taught to us is that we should focus on our blessings and not on our curses. We should be always thankful to God for what all He has given, and we should not point at what He has not given to us. For whatever He has not given to us, whatever God has not given to us, there is always some good in it. And even if you are in the worst of your conditions, if you are suffering from much and many things, then you need to keep yourself encouraged. You have to take the courage, and then you have to start counting your blessings. As and when you start counting your blessings, then the situation will become much easier for you. So here in this chapter there are many anecdotes many anecdotes means short stories. So there are many short stories in this full chapter, and the first one is in the first para. Here there is a king and a wise man. The king is asking the wise man that he has a bird in his hands. So the king is asking to the wise man that is that bird alive or is it dead? The wise man was very wise. Okay, so he was like thinking in himself that if I'll say it is alive, then he will kill the bird, he will crush the bird in his hands. But if I say the bird is dead, then he will set the bird free. So all these situations, in short, the wise man did not tell whether it is alive or whether it is dead. He gave some another answer which is basically a moral for us. He told, it's all in your hands. So whether the bird was alive or whether the bird is dead, that all depends upon the king, and that in this particular instance. So for us, the moral we have got here is it's all in our hands. So whether you are focusing on your blessings or you are focusing on your curses or the difficulties or struggles or problems, whatever you are facing, so it will be better if it is in your hands, then you should focus on the blessings. So I'm just going through it once. Once upon a time, a wise man met a king. The king challenged the man with a riddle. Riddle means, I think you might know, in Hindi we say it paheli. He said, a small bird is in my hand. Is it alive or dead? The wise man paused and looked down. He thought to himself, if I say it is alive, he will close his hand and crush it. If I say it is dead, he'll open his hand and let it fly away. The wise man turned his head up and said in a soft yet commanding voice, it's all in your hands. The same is true for all of us. Our lives are in our hands. It is not always easy. We face struggles, challenges and difficulties, but we can derive blessings from them if we are intentional and ready to find the courage to make our lives a blessing, as Debbie Friedman said. So it all depends on us. We have to find the courage from our lives and we have to take it as a blessing.